Hello good people, in this video we will discuss question number 2 from chapter 11 book for Mathematics AI HL, the review set. The question is, the graph gives information about the motion of a more advanced drone that is programmed to fly in a straight line and return to its starting point once it has collected enough photographic data to fill up its memory. So this is the graph. A. Calculate the distance traveled in the first 6 seconds. First 6 seconds, if you take a look at this graph, we have two regions. One is under this curve. Okay, this is region 1. And then region 2 is this one. It's the rectangle one. So the distance is just the area behind that graph. So we will have A, the distance is equals with area 1 plus area 2, and then from that we have area 1 is equals with the integral from 0 until 4 of the fx, the function which is 10 minus x minus 2 square dx, plus the area 2. Area 2 is a rectangle, as you can see, with the width is 2, from 4 to 6 is 2 times from the height from 0 to 6, which is 6. Okay, so if you input this to your calculator, wait a second. If you input this to calculator, you will have 34.6666 or 34.7. So it's 34.7 plus 2 times 6 is 12. So it's equals with 46.7 meter. So that is the distance from the first 6 seconds. Let's go back. Let's go to B. For question B, let's mark this one. For B, determine the time when the drone turns around and then return to starting point. Turns around means when the velocity changing from positive to negative. It means when the velocity is 0, which is this one. So the drone turns around at t is equals with 10 seconds. Okay, C. Hence, calculate how long the drone takes to complete its journey. This is the information here is straight line. So it means if we imagine this is our starting point. The first movement, the drone will go away from us where the velocity is positive. This one, this region. You know what? Let's call that region A. Where is my eraser? So during region A, this is when the drone going away from us, and then during region B, the velocity is negative. It is when the drone going back to us. We have region A and region B. So in order to for the drone to go back to us, the distance should be the same. So we have distance A is equals with distance B. Okay, with that in mind, let's first calculate the distance in A. The distance is A. In A, we already got this part from 0 until 6. We need only to add this part, the triangle part. So region A, let's use red for that. So region A, area A is equals with 46.7 plus the area of this triangle, which is half, times the base is 6 to 10 is 4, times 4, times the height is from 0 until 6. We can cross 2 times 6, 12, equals with 46.7 plus 12. equals with 58.7 meter. So this is the area A. We also need to find the area B, which is the same with area A. So for the area B, let's continue here. So area B is equals with this region, the triangle one, and then this one, the rectangle. Okay, you can calculate it as trapezium, that's also okay, but I prefer this triangle plus rectangle, but that's totally up to you, yeah. So the triangle part plus rectangle. Let's write it that way, yeah. So area B is equals with area A, which is 58.7. The triangle part is half times the base is this. The base is from 10 to 12, which is 2, times the height is from 0 until -3, which is 3, plus the area of the rectangle is the width, with the width is 3, times the length of this. The length of this is unknown. Let's make new variable. Let's call it A, where A is time after this one, after 12 seconds. Okay, so we got new variable A over there. So we will have excuse me, 58.7 equals with half times 2 times 3, which is 3, plus 3A. Take it down a little bit. So we have 3A, sorry, A is equals with 58.7 minus 3 divided by 3. So A is equals with, okay, from the calculation we got A is equals with 18.6 second. 18.6 second. A is equals with 18.6 second. Remember, A is time after 12 second. So this is time to when the drone going back to us. So the drone will back to its starting position. Will back to starting position at A, which is 18.6, plus the A is time after 12 seconds, so plus 12, which is T equals with 18.6 plus 12 is 40, 30, yeah, 40, wait, 20, 30.6 second. So I think that's it, everyone. If you have any question, or you think I make mistake, or you have a better way to solve this problem, just let me know in the comment or email me. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.